I once was lost in sin, but Jesus took me in, and then a little light from heaven fills my soul. He made my heart in love and wrote my name above, and just a little talk with Jesus makes me whole.
Let us
have a little talk with Jesus.
Let us
tell him all about our trouble.
He will
hear our faintest cry.
He will
answer by and by.
When you feel
little prayers turning,
and you
know little fire is burning,
and you find
have a little talk with Jesus makes me cry. I may have doubts and fears, my eyes may fill with tears, and Jesus is a friend who watches day and night. I go to him in prayer, he knows my every care, and just a little talk with Jesus makes him right.
Now let us
have a little talk with Jesus.
Let us
tell him all about our trouble.
He will
hear our faintest cry.
He will
answer by and by.
When you feel the prayers turning and you
know little fire is burning,
we will find
have a little talk with Jesus makes it right. But Jesus took me in, and then a little light from heavens filled my soul. He bathed my heart in love, and he wrote my name above, and just a little talk with Jesus makes me whole.
Now let us
have a little talk with Jesus.
Let us
tell him all about our trouble.
He will
hear our faintest cry.
He will
answer by and by.
When you
feel a little prayer returning,
and you
know little fire is burning,
you will
find a little talk with Jesus makes it right.
Let us
have a little talk with Jesus.
Let us
tell him all about our trouble.
He will
hear our faintest cry.
He will
answer by and by.
When you
feel a little prayer returning, and you know little fire is burning,
you will
find a little talk with Jesus makes it